Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friedel-Crafts reactions. These are a special type of aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions in which an alkyl chain is introduced into the aromatic ring and hydrogen is replaced, or an acyl group is introduced into the benzene or any aromatic ring in the presence of aluminium chloride as a catalyst. Friedel and Kraft reactions are a set of reactions developed by Charles and James Kraft in 1877 to attach substances to an aromatic ring. A synthetic reaction in organic chemistry in which anhydrous aluminium chloride acts as the typical catalyst, such as the synthesis of a hydrocarbon, for example, ethyl benzene, propyl benzene, octyl dodecyl by alkylation of an aromatic hydrocarbon with an alkyl halide, and also the synthesis of a ketone by acylation of an aromatic hydrocarbon with an acyl chloride or acid anhydride, and this also required anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst. These are of two types: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, for example, ethyl chloride or any alkyl chloride is reacted in the presence of aluminium chloride as a catalyst, and alkyl chain is introduced into the benzene ring. HCl is liberated here. Aluminium chloride here acts as a catalyst. Aluminium chloride shares the electrons of chlorine, lone pair of chlorine, and bond is shifted towards aluminium chloride. This bond breaks from this side, and ethyl carbocation is produced here. Here the carbocation produced attacks on the aromatic ring as an electrophile. Forms a bond with carbon, and a positive charge is created. Electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic compounds have the same type of mechanism but differ only in the production of carbocation. Carbocations here are produced in different ways, that may be by ferrochloride, ferric bromide as in halogenation reactions with sulfuric acid as in nitration reactions, or any other. But here anyhow, here aluminium chloride is used as a catalyst, creates a carbocation which attacks on the benzene ring. Same would happen, same type of intermediate would be produced, formed if we use naphthalene, phenanthrene, or any other aromatic hydrocarbons that may be even heterocyclic compound. And in the final step, this H is removed to AlCl4 negative, HCl is produced, and aluminium chloride. We say it as a catalyst as it is removed as such at the end of the reaction, and this bond is shifted to this side. Aluminium chloride should be anhydrous. Anhydrous means there should be no moisture, water. Otherwise, aluminium chloride we are using as a catalyst would react with any moisture present to form aluminium hydroxide. Therefore, the catalyst would be aluminium hydroxide, and the catalyst would be destroyed even at the start of the reaction. Therefore, moisture should be removed completely from the reaction and hydrous aluminum chloride is used. Friedel-Crafts alkylation refers to the replacement of an aromatic proton H with an alkyl group. Length of alkyl group may be anyone. This is done through an electrophilic attack. As we already see, carbon having a positive charge attacks on the aromatic ring with the help of a carbocation. The Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is a method of generating alkyl benzenes by using alkyl halides as reactant. These alkyl benzenes may further be used for any synthetic purpose that may be in any drug synthesis, pharmaceutical synthesis, even for dyes or even polymers or long chain containing aromatic hydrocarbons used as detergents after sulfonation of the benzene ring to form alkyl benzene sulfonates. Most familiar example is the synthesis of dodecyl benzene sulfonate. Lewis catalysts such as ferric chloride or aluminum chloride is used in this reaction in order to form a carbocation, facilitating the removal of the halide. Here is the simplest reaction of any alkyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride. To attach any alkyl chain to the aromatic compound, say benzene. Lewis acid catalyst undergoes reaction with the alkyl halide, resulting in the formation of an electrophilic carbocation. The carbocation proceeds to attack the aromatic ring, forming a cyclohexadienyl cation. Here is the cyclohexadienyl cation. As an intermediate, the aromaticity of the arene is temporarily lost, not permanently, because that is gained by the removal of the proton due to the breakage of the carbon double bond. The deprotonation, removal of H positive of the intermediate, leads to the reformation of the carbon-carbon double bond, restoring aromaticity to the compound. This proton goes on to form hydrochloric acid, degenerating the aluminum chloride cation. Here is the simplest mechanism shown. Aluminum chloride removes HCl. Alkyl carbocation is produced which attacks on the benzene ring. A cation, carbocation here is produced and H positive is removed, bond is restored again. Similarly, in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction involves the addition of an acyl group to an aromatic ring. For example, acetyl chloride reacts with Lewis acid, aluminum chloride. We may call aluminum chloride as Lewis acid because it contains 6 electrons in its outermost shell, and here it may get a lone pair of electrons, which it does here, and removes one chlorine and acyl carbocation is formed. This acyl carbocation acts in the same fashion as in other electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic compounds. Here, the aromatic ring is transformed into a ketone. An acid anhydride can be used as an alternative to the acid acyl halides in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Here is an acid anhydride, say acetic anhydride. Here is the simplest mechanism shown here. Aluminum chloride removes chlorine and a carbocation is produced. This acyl cation further attacks on the aromatic ring and an intermediate is formed. H positive is removed again to restore the aromaticity of the benzene ring by the removal of H positive ion by AlCl4 negative and HCl is produced. Here the regenerated catalyst can now attack the carbonyl oxygen in this way, and therefore excess water is removed to regenerate the ketone and aluminum salts are produced. Aluminum hydroxide would be produced.